Need to weld on the go, but struggling to find a reliable portable welder that won't let you down? After testing dozens of welding machines, we've selected the 5 most dependable portable welders that deliver professional results wherever you need them. From lightweight inverters to powerful multi-process units, we've covered options for every type of mobile welding job. Each welder you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the Siaski Portable 110-volt MMA welder, a compact machine that's been getting quite a bit of attention lately. You know how annoying it can be to move around those heavy welding machines? Well, this one's different. It weighs just 3.3 pounds, which means you can easily take it wherever you need it. I've found this super helpful when working on projects in different locations or when storage space is tight. The upgraded insulated gate bipolar transistor inverter technology really makes a difference in day-to-day use. I noticed the arc force is pretty solid, giving you cleaner welds and better penetration into the material. One thing I really appreciate is the anti-stick feature. If you've ever dealt with electrodes sticking mid-weld, you know exactly how frustrating that can be. This machine handles that problem pretty well. I do need to point out a couple of issues, though. After testing it for a while, I noticed the AMP readings aren't exactly accurate. They tend to show about double what you're actually getting. This can be tricky if you need precise settings for your work. Also, while I like that they include safety gear in the kit, the gloves aren't great quality. You'll probably want to grab a better pair if you're planning to use this regularly. That said, there's a lot to like about this welder, especially considering the price point. I've found it works really well for home projects and lighter repairs. The light-emitting diode display is clear and easy to read, and the automatic current matching takes some of the guesswork out of getting started. The cooling system seems well-designed too. I've used it for several projects, and it hasn't given me any overheating issues. Bottom line, while it might not be what you're looking for if you need something for heavy-duty professional work, the Siaski welder is a solid choice if you want something portable and reliable for do-it-yourself projects and lighter welding tasks. You can find the current price and more details through the link below. Let's dive into the Fewatt Portable 110-volt arc welder. After putting it through its paces for a few weeks, I can confidently say it's a great option for DIY enthusiasts and minor repair tasks. Weighing a little over 3 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport around your workshop or to various job sites. Your back will definitely appreciate this lightweight design. One of the standout features of this welder is its user-friendly operation. It comes with a simple dial offering 6 different current settings, from 20 to 120 amperes. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone who prefers to avoid complex controls. The hot arc start feature is also a nice touch, allowing for quick ignition and helping to prevent those pesky false starts that can eat up your time. However, let's be honest, this machine isn't meant to replace a heavy-duty industrial welder. I did notice that it occasionally trips circuit breakers, which can be a bit of a hassle during a project. Additionally, achieving consistent arcs requires some practice, and I had to spend some time getting the hang of it. One aspect that really impressed me was the cooling system. It features 360-degree cooling technology and overheat protection, allowing you to work longer without worrying about overheating the machine. Plus, the package includes welding rods, gloves, and a mask, offering decent value for the price. In summary, if you're in need of a portable welder for home projects or light repairs, this model performs admirably. However, if you're looking to tackle heavy-duty tasks or require a machine for professional use on a daily basis, you might want to consider other options that I'll discuss later. For the latest price and detailed specifications, check out the description below. Let's take a closer look at the Oxry OX portable 140-amp handheld welding machine. After spending some time with this unit, it's definitely made an impression. The first thing you'll notice is its size. It's incredibly lightweight, at just 3.5 pounds, and measures about 10 by 10 inches. This makes it easy to maneuver with one hand, which is a huge advantage when you're working in confined spaces or at tricky angles. The machine offers a robust welding output, ranging from 20 to 140 amps. I appreciate the 6-position current adjustment, which provides excellent control over your welds. The hot arc start feature is a standout, ensuring smooth and consistent starts, especially useful for thinner materials. This model incorporates insulated gate bipolar transistor inverter technology, which might sound complex, but it essentially means your welds are cleaner with minimal spatter. The current remains stable, which is crucial for achieving a professional finish. Safety is also a priority, with features protecting against overheating, overcurrent, and overload. These are definitely appreciated if you're using the machine frequently. One of the highlights is that it comes as a complete kit. You get welding rods, protective gloves, and a folding welding mask right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or need a backup machine, You can start welding immediately after unboxing. However, I must be upfront with you. There are only 4 reviews available, so there's limited information on its long-term durability. While it excels at lighter tasks, it's not designed for heavy-duty industrial work. Also, if you're new to welding, be prepared to spend some time mastering it. The controls are user-friendly, but like any welder, it requires practice to perfect your technique. For its price, the Oxrio X Welder offers great value, especially for do-it-yourself projects, or if you need something portable for occasional use. I've included the current price and all the specifications in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Introducing the Rubik Stick 225 ampere arc welder, a machine I've been putting through its paces for several weeks, and it's definitely worth a mention. If you need something that's both portable and powerful, this might just be what you're looking for. The first thing that stood out to me was its weight. Weighing in at just about 10 pounds, it's a breeze to transport from my garage to the backyard, or toss in the truck for on-site jobs. After a long day of welding, your back will certainly appreciate the lightweight design. What truly impressed me during my testing was the insulated gate bipolar transistor control technology. If you've ever struggled with getting a smooth start on your welds, this machine handles it beautifully. The arc initiates seamlessly, and I noticed significantly less spatter compared to other models in the same price bracket. Additionally, it automatically adjusts to various electrode sizes, which is incredibly convenient when switching between different materials. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to be aware of. The mask and gloves included are adequate for beginners, but you'll likely want to upgrade them soon. I replaced mine after just a week. Also, if you're planning to do tungsten inert gas welding, remember that you'll need to purchase additional equipment, as this isn't a tungsten inert gas ready setup straight out of the box. What sets this welder apart is the value it offers. I've used it for everything from repairing garden furniture to working on my truck's exhaust, and it handles both light and medium-duty tasks with ease. The setup process is straightforward, allowing you to start welding within minutes of unboxing. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a dependable portable welder that won't break the bank, this one is worth considering. While it's not flawless, it performs admirably, especially for do-it-yourself projects and lighter professional tasks. For all the specifications and current pricing, check out the description below. Let's explore the YESWELDER 205 amp stick welder, a device that truly impressed me during my evaluation. If you're fed up with hauling around cumbersome welding gear, this model is a game changer, weighing only 8.4 pounds. It's incredibly convenient to transport between tasks or within your workshop. What really stood out to me was its impressive power output. With a capacity of 205 amps, it can handle virtually any welding rod you throw its way, including 6010, 6011, 6013, and 7018. I've tested it on various metals from stainless steel to cast iron, and it consistently delivers excellent performance. The LED display is genuinely practical, providing clear readings for quick adjustments during your projects. A feature that sets this welder apart is its adjustable hot start and arc force. If you've ever experienced electrode sticking, you know how frustrating it can be. These features help mitigate that issue, resulting in smoother welds without the usual hassle. However, I should mention a couple of drawbacks I encountered. The digital current readout isn't always perfectly accurate, so you might need to experiment a bit to find the optimal settings. Additionally, while the ground clamp and electrode holder function adequately, they feel somewhat flimsy. If you plan to use this welder frequently, you might consider upgrading these components. Despite these minor issues, this welder offers exceptional value for its price. While it may not be suitable for heavy industrial applications, it's ideal for home projects and lighter professional work. I particularly appreciate the safety features, such as automatic voltage compensation and overcurrent protection, which provide added peace of mind, especially for those new to welding. In summary, if you're looking for a portable welder that's dependable and budget-friendly, the YESWELDER is worth considering. It's an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals needing a reliable backup or portable option. You can find the current price and detailed specifications through the link in the description below.